You often see adverts for building your own fan base, conquering Facebook, and mastering the art of mastering. And it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking you have to do it all and do it all at once. So you'd be your own press agent, manager, sound designer, mastering engineer, and social media strategist. These are all full-time jobs, and who's got time for that?
If you're aiming to be a music producer, it's definitely going to be a lot of hard work. And yes, you're going to have to learn to mix your tracks, and certainly you'll need to promote your music when it gets released.
But as Stephen Covey once said, the main thing is to keep the main thing the main thing.
So let me ask you, what's your main thing? Maybe you want to release music on big established labels, or finish tracks you're proud of. Or maybe it's to DJ and play in clubs all over the world. Whatever your goals, when you stay committed to your own lane and focus on your craft, you'll see more progress than ever before. You'll finish more and better music and gain the self-belief you need to push on and reach your goals. And when you do need them, there are experts who will accelerate your progress faster than you could ever imagine possible working on your own.
So if you hear people saying you have to do it all, just remember, that's their choice. They prefer to be a jack of all trades, and you, a master of one.